Hey guys, Twisted Out Detail here. This is a 2019 GMC Yukon XL. I did clean that off. That happened after buffing. I give it an 8 out of 10 for cleanliness. Reason being, it was fairly very easy. You're talking about leather seats, plastic. This guy has the full package on interior care. That rubber literally is through every piece of floor in there except for just the little corners. I'll let the video continue as I recorded it, and see that little bit of carpet right there. That is all that's showing and displayed, and is also when the seat lifts. I'll show you the last bit of carpet that's actually visible, with how significantly the coverage of these mats is pretty superior. It's the best ones I've seen. Um, I mean, it goes even between the latches. You can see down there the whole center cover, and then here's the last bit of stitch that it doesn't cover. But that's not even a problem because just the over amount of protection is intense. Now, the thing that is very crucial why this did not get a 10 out of 10 is the amount of small pockets that it has. So, no, we'll go all the way back to the beginning just to kind of give you uh, that standpoint. So you're talking two cup holders. That's little pocket right there in the center, and then you got the side. So right here in the front, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just on attached to this center pocket is um, six holders, and then let's see here. Where I go into more detail about the amount that's on the uh, doors. I do it on the passenger door right here. So we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 here on each. So we got 6 times 4 for the doors. That's 24. That center console was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 30. And then we go to the back seat. And the back seat has 1, 2, 3 right there, you can see. But then there's a secret pocket, which is right there. Right there. It's kind of blurry, but there's another pocket. So there's 4 on each side. So 38 total holders, which is just intense. Like, this is just nuts. So that's why I've knocked it down a couple of pegs. I mean, that's a lot to have to specifically deal with each. Oh, there it is. Better shot. That. So you're talking that, then the 2 that are back here with that cup, and so on and so forth. So 38 individual pockets you got to clean to get the job done. The trim here, that silver lining that you see, that chrome line right there, a lot of dirt. They did not seal that up properly. I had to spray really close, get the pressure washer at like a 50-45 angle just to push the dirt out. Each side probably took me a good 3 to 4 minutes of just pressure washing just that, and that was pretty extreme for having to clean out your kick plates. So overall, leather chairs super easy to scrub down clean. Anything leather, you have to use leather cleaners. The thing that totally makes my blood boil, that I have to say, is it's not like people use Simple Green degreasers. It's like those are so violent against the material that is in your car. There's actual cleaners, people. I mean, I even tell people, please just use Dawn and some good hot water. just to avoid like burning your seats, burning your interior of your car. Because once it's burned, it's you get you get what you do. You get what you pay for. You want to skimp on some cleaners, you're gonna get some additional problems that you wish you didn't have. Yes, your car is clean with simple green and the purpley greaser, but when your leather looks discolored, disformed, it looked blotchy like there's burns because of the cleaners and the chemical reaction. Um, be ready for it, and don't be surprised by it. So that being said, again, GMC 2019 Yukon handles really well. It's really quiet in the truck. I thought it was gonna be loud because the way they make cars nowadays, and it's just too big for me. I'm a car person. I mean, I have a 30-year-old Honda Civic. If that puts any perspective, four door, but still, it's a little dinky. And then I got a Subaru wagon, so and I love wagons. I just don't like king size XL wagons. This is also a, friend that said, "Hey, he sees what I do. He sees how much, and we talk. He knows how much I love cars and takes care of cars." And he was like, "There's no reason I should shop outside of that." And there you go. Hopefully, this is informative. There's no really hidden pockets on this truck. That was kind of a plus. That's kind of one of my biggest fears on trucks with third rows is they create a small pocket. Let me see if I can get back there to show it. So usually this area is a lot smaller. I mean, you kind of see where it pinches way back in there, but usually on other vehicles, it's like only an inch and a quarter of space, meaning you're taking like your snub nose, your vacuum tip, and a air gun to blow out debris, and it doesn't really work that way. So it's a lot. It's very tedious, methodical, and you just have to just do the damn thing to get it clean under there. Um, if I had third row, I would never let my youngest kids sit back there because that means food's going everywhere. Spills are everywhere, and it's a disaster. So that being said, that's Twisted Auto GMC Yukon XL 2019, 8 out of 10 for auto detailing. Black is whack when you're trying to buff it. It is the worst color. I'll leave that for a different segment. All right, bye.